Hi guys, welcome to Favors Blog, where we give you wholesome and juicy entertainment fit for royalty like you. Please do well to subscribe to this channel and of course turn on the notification bell so you'll be one of the first persons to get notified whenever we drop any new video. Now let's dive in straight into what we have for you. Open Heaven Daily Devotional for Sunday, the 22nd of January 2022. Our topic today says Flames of Fire Part 2. And our Bible reading they come from the book of 2 Corinthians chapter 6 verse 14 to 18. Our Bible reading is 2 Corinthians 6, 14 to 18. And our memory verse for today they come from the book of Romans chapter 12 verse 2. Where it say, and be not conformed to this world, but be ye transformed by the renewing of your mind, that ye may prove what is that good and acceptable and perfect will of God. Now, Moko enter the main message. Exodus 23 verse 2 tell us, say, thou shalt not follow a multitude to do evil, neither shalt thou speak in a cause to decline after many to wrestle judgment. Fire no dey follow wetin dey rain. E remain the same all the time. Fire na fire. E no dey freeze today turn to water tomorrow then evaporate the next day. Fire na always fire and e dey remain for only one state. E no dey copy anything or anybody else. E just dey on e own. I remember one time wey be like say the custom among men of God for Nigeria na to dey wear agbada. Na their way of proclaiming say we don arrive. I no get anything against the agbada o. Na traditional attire for many Nigeria cultures and I dey wear am from time to time. However, I refuse to follow dem wey dey wear am that time sake of say na wetin dey reign. One man of God come talk to me say, I like you o, but I no like the way you dey dress like hunter. Maybe im dey refer to my conservative French suits dem when I dey wear. I come tell am say I no be hunter o, but I be soldier for Christ. Fire no dey blend with the environment, rather e dey affect the environment. You must stand apart o. You no go fit afford to dey do everything based on say people dey do am. Fire no dey conform. E no dey fear to stand on e own. Fire no dey say because my friends dey do am make me sef do am. Proverbs 1 verse 10 tell us say when sinners dey entice you, make you no agree o. No matter how the thing wey dey reign dey entice you, if e no dey in line with the will of God, make you reject am. 1 Kings 18 verse 22 tell us say na Baal dem dey worship for the land of Israel one time, but Elijah decide say im go dey apart from the people. E no blend with people wey dey around am because im na fire. E no matter whether everybody dey do wetin dey against God will, but because you be fire, you no go fit join dem. 2 Corinthians 6, 16 to 17 tell us say make we come out from among people wey no believe in Jesus Christ. Matthew 5 verse 16 come also tell us say make our light so shine before men, so that when they see the better things the way we dey do, they go glorify our Father wey dey for heaven. How dem wan take see the work of God wey you dey do when e be like say you dey always dey try to blend in with the people wey dey do the kind things dem wey be like say devil dey do. Our reflection point for today to say make you observe yourself wella. You dey follow wetin dey reign for the world, abi you be fire wey wan stand apart. This Open Heaven Daily Devotional na Pastor E.A. Adeboye wey be the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God na im write am and na Lawuru Favour na im present am give you. Thank you so much for staying with us to the very end of today's video. We trust you were thoroughly entertained. Do not forget to like this video, share this video, and of course subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be one of the first persons to get notified whenever we drop any new video. Until we come your way again with another exciting video, do not forget this is still Favors Blog.